video, I share 3 ways in which this moisturizer from 𝗏𝗏𝗘 can benefit your skin. I also share towards the end of the video a couple of key points that you need to remember when it comes to using this barrier repair moisturizer from 𝗏𝗏𝗘. The first way is this product has ingredients that can actually strengthen the skin's barrier function. Now, the main ingredients which can do that in this product are the ceramides. It's got different types of ceramides, and also lactobacillus. Skin's top layer acts as a barrier. It acts as a shield. It has 2 main functions. It actually prevents the water from the deeper layers of the skin from evaporating into the environment, and also protects the skin from attacks from pollution and all the other environmental allergens. So if the skin's barrier function is not working well, skin becomes dehydrated because of the loss of water, and skin becomes prone to breakouts because we've got a lot of attacks coming in from the environment. And this in turn can lead to a whole lot of other concerns. It will leave the skin inflamed, irritated, which in turn can lead to a pigmented skin. And it will also result in not so well aging skin. It will cause fine lines and a bit of wrinkles as well. So that's how important skin's barrier function is. And here is the thing, skin's barrier function is susceptible to being weakened every single day. And that's why we need products which can protect it. We need ingredients which can protect the skin's barrier function. And using a moisturizer which has these good ingredients is always a good thing. Ceramides and the probiotics in this particular moisturizer help in strengthening the skin's barrier function. The second benefit is, for a strong skin's barrier function, we don't just need ingredients which can strengthen that shield function, we also need ingredients which can add hydration to the skin. Now this moisturizer has sodium hyaluronate and glycerin. These 2 are very powerful humectants. Humectants are water magnets. They bind themselves to water molecules and bring all that hydration to the surface of the skin. The third way is, the purpose of a moisturizer is to actually help retain hydration in the skin. That's the minimum a moisturizer should do. All the other things are good additional benefits, and a lot of moisturizers these days offer a lot of additional benefits like adding hydration and strengthening the skin's barrier function. So this moisturizer does have ingredients which can seal the hydration that's already in the skin. The barrier function of the skin alone can't hold all the hydration that the skin has in the skin. It always needs help, and that's where a moisturizer comes in. A moisturizer must have good ingredients which can help the barrier function of the skin to retain all that hydration in the skin. This moisturizer has a lot of fruit extracts, dimethicone cross polymer, some rice water, and a whole bunch of other ingredients which can all help retain that hydration in the skin. I know I said 3 points, but I'm just going to quickly throw away the 4th benefit. That's the lack of fragrance, and that's a really good thing because a lot of good moisturizers have amazing ingredients but also throw in a little bit of fragrance which kind of destroys the whole thing. I like that 𝗏𝗏𝗘 hasn't used any fragrance in this product. This is a good moisturizer and I do recommend it, but I do want to stress about a couple of key points you should be aware of before using this moisturizer. This moisturizer is primarily for maintaining the skin's barrier function. It doesn't have enough ingredients to do the repair job. So if your skin's barrier function is already damaged, don't depend on this moisturizer alone to repair it. You need a few other products which can help you do that. But for maintaining the skin's barrier function, this is a good product. Now, if your skin already feels a bit red and irritated and very sensitive, it wasn't sensitive before, but suddenly now even if you touch it with your nail, it just feels a bit stingy, then it's probably because of a repaired barrier, and if your skin feels dehydrated. So then the damage is already done, and this product alone cannot help repair it. Though 𝗏𝗏𝗘 says it can repair, don't depend on this product alone to fix all that damage. It's primarily for maintaining the skin's barrier function. It's a very lightweight texture. You can use it under your makeup or under your sunscreen as well. Though it says it's primarily for dry skin and all that, I think it's quite good even for oily skin people. It doesn't have any oily texture. It doesn't have anything which can go and clog your pores, so it should work well. And I actually quite like it like a primer, that is using it underneath the makeup. And one thing which I always suggest is have at least a couple of good moisturizers in your skin shelf and use them interchangeably. Don't depend on just one to do all the maintenance. That's about it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in the next video.